Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm going to show you my idea for our Club Couture of the Month subscription. Welcome to our home. So my husband made the surface. There's 3 boards stained in 3 different colors. It's awesome. Now the transfer, I'm cutting along the cutting lines because just to make it easier to put the transfer on, I'm marking the back because this transfer is reusable. So you want the sticky side of the transfer to the glossy side of the backing. Now here I'm doing the H and the wreath for the O, and I'm doing it in pesto, green, and white for the wreath, and black for all the lettering, black velvet. And I'm taking this multi-tool. It's great for a small squeegee to do along little places. So first I did the squeegee over the green, and then I did the white, and then I took the small squeegee and kind of blended it all together. Now I could have taken the excess and put it back in the jar because it really wouldn't make that much difference in the color, but instead I took it off and put it onto a paper towel. Turned out good, right? I love that. Okay, now all the lettering is done in black velvet. It just pops coming off of the different colors of the stains. So here's Welcome to Our Home. Now, the reason I did this in 2 sections is because of the boards. I didn't really want to chalk over the crack between the boards, so I spaced it in between. Turned out pretty good, actually. Now you just squeegee it on, take off the excess, use for another time, and take off your transfer. Let it dry, takes about 4 minutes. Now I'm putting the berries on, and I did this in Seafoam, which was an en vogue color for last season. We're getting some new colors now. And then I put twine on the end and some leaves. Turned out really good. I was happy with this one. Thanks for watching, everybody.